Question 3. The herbicide glyphosate, is used to control the annual weed charlock in cereal fields. An investigation was carried out into the effects of glyphosate on the development of glyphosate resistance in the charlock plants in a cereal plot. The charlock plants were treated with glyphosate from 2009 to 2016, and the percentage of resistant plants in the plot was recorded every year. Results shown. Okay. Using values from the table, describe the changes in glyphosate resistance over the time of the investigation. Right, so this is basically the same question you would have with a graph, but this time just on a table. So it is over the whole time. So let's start 2009. So 2009, 10% were resistant, and then this increased in resistance to 66 by 2015, and then stayed the same in 2016. There's your mark. So you've basically got the same thing you would normally have in a graph. I'm looking at 3 points that I need to state. Okay. Explain how natural selection resulted in the change in glyphosate resistance. Okay, so resistance is what we're looking for in terms of the natural selection. So natural selection means that we need to have a selective pressure, which was the glyphosate, which meant that we had survival of a particular set, in this case survival of resistant plants. And then we need to have these plants passing those genes on to the next generation. So we then have reproduce and pass on resistance. That's your 2 points that you're looking for. Okay. Another investigation was carried out into the development of antibiotic resistance in bacteria. It was observed to be more rapid than the development of glyphosate resistance in charlock. Explain this observation in terms of gene transfer. Okay, so it has to be about gene transfer, because your other option, and if they hadn't said it had to be gene transfer, your other option was just saying that the life cycle of a bacteria is so much faster that you're going to get multiple generations in the time. But they want gene transfer, so we need to bring in the fact that bacteria can use horizontal gene transfer. So not only do they have this super fast generation time, what we're also looking at is that they can pass within each generation. So basically what you're looking for. Okay, they can use a horizontal and the charlock plants can't. And that's your question.